What's new in Power BI? May 2025 update. The latest Power BI update is here, packed with features to boost your productivity and make customizations easier than ever. Events and announcements. Stay informed with the all-new Power BI Roadmap page, your go-to for upcoming feature release dates. Copilot and AI. Introducing the standalone Copilot experience in Power BI. Effortlessly find and analyze reports, semantic models, apps, and data agents you have access to, all in one place. Reporting. New visual calculations like lookup and lookup with totals let you focus on one visual at a time, enabling easier creation and validation of complex calculations. Modeling. Drag and drop your way to faster data modeling. Create relationships between direct lake tables with a simple UI based on row counts. Visualizations. Meet the dandelion chart, a fresh way to visualize column data with dynamic breakdowns as floating flowers above each bar. Beautiful and insightful. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.